CCP never respect for Uyghur, never respect for Uyghur culture, never respect for Uyghur human rights. So I think this Olympic is genocide Olympics. This is no normal Olympic. I lost my all company, all business in my motherland. I'm start everything, have to start new. First thing, I have to learn English, start my new life in this country. And 2018, I opened first location, Dolan Uyghur restaurant in DC. This Olympic like 1936, that is Germany Olympic, same. Because now CCP gave Uyghur people for genocide, killing Uyghur people culture. If I watch this Olympic, in my eyes, I can see my brothers, my sister, my nation in my motherland. His very difficult life in jail, very difficult life in camp, very difficult life in cheap labor factory. So I cannot watch this Olympic. My brother said, good luck. Please give your children good education in United States. Just this. And a few months later, first time get my brothers and his wife go camp, and then gave my brother for 20 years jail, and for my brother's wife 7 years. Now 3 children. My mom cared for 3 children. This is very terrible. But this is just for one family. But in East Turkestan, have millions, same issues, same problems. Millions people get from camp. This people is professor. This people is high-level people. This people is religion leadership people. This people is successful businessmen. Just the reason is we are different ethnic group. With Chinese people, we are Turkish ethnic group. The United States already told this is genocide from 2020, right? This already 2 years. But no genocide is continue. My brother in jail, my brother's wife in jail, like million people is in camp or jail or cheap labors. But why United States cannot stop China genocide to Uyghur? Always I think about it. Why? You already thought this is a genocide. Why you cannot make real active to stop this genocide? I cannot understand this. Every day I think about this because I miss my mom, I miss my brother, sister, I miss my friend and my motherland. We hope very fast finish this genocide. Uyghur people have to go to normal life in this world because we are same human.